In this cake decorating tutorial, you'll see how to make a two-tiered fault line cake with sugared lemons. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome to Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials. Subscribe and ring the bell and start creating your beautiful cakes and memories. You'll need candied lemon slices and white sparkle sugar for the centers. Follow the link in this video to see how to make these delicious lemon slices. This is the yummy coconut cake with English lemon curd and fresh raspberries. It's a super popular cake right now. A lot of my clients are liking this cake a lot. So you can find this recipe in my book, Wedding Cakes For You, or Wedding Cakes with Lorelei rather, step by step. It's on Amazon. I'll leave the link for you at the end and also in the description box. So I've made a few fault line cakes and you can see them here on this channel. Each time I do them a little differently. For this one, the sprinkles and lemons go directly onto the cakes with no special techniques. Now the buttercream does need to be soft for the lemons and the sprinkles to stick. Once you get the center parts on, using a 789 icing tip really helps to get a nice layer of buttercream onto the cake. Make it uneven to create a natural fault line look. You will want to cover the edges of the lemons I decided to use green candy leaves to make the center pop a little bit more. Carefully scrape and smooth the buttercream. Repeat for the top tier. Now I'm covering the cardboard because of the rough look and the client wanted the bottom part to be like uneven, so in order to have the cardboard not show, I covered it with buttercream, as you can see I'm doing here. Now this cake was ordered by my sister-in-law, Lori Carvey. It was her gift to the bride for her bridal shower. So I brought the cake to her house where we added some fresh flowers, which Lori picked up. They were so beautiful. And we experimented with greens and lemons and kind of decided on what we were going to do at the actual venue. So I was not going to be at the venue. They were going to be there delivering the cake. So after much discussion and a little nervousness, they did an amazing job.
See, you did it.
She's a decorator.
They delivered this cake, they set it up, and they put the final touches on. They did a fantastic job on this lemon fault line bridal shower cake, which was a huge hit. Oh, speaking of my sister-in-law, Lori, check her out right here on Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials in the Buttercream Blues playlist. And I will see you guys in the next video.